Long-term self-care plan for a better life. Taking care of yourself is important for a happy and healthy life. A long-term self-care plan helps you stay strong, calm, and balanced every day. This plan includes simple habits that you can follow easily. Physical health. Start by caring for your body. Eat healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Drink plenty of water every day. Try to move your body with exercise. It can be walking, stretching, yoga, or any activity you enjoy. Aim for at least 30 minutes of movement most days. Sleep is also very important. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of good sleep every night. Good rest helps your body and mind recover. Mental health. Your mind needs care too. Take time to relax and breathe deeply. Practice mindfulness or meditation to reduce stress. Set small goals and celebrate when you achieve them. Avoid negative thoughts and talk kindly to yourself. If you feel overwhelmed, talk to someone you trust or a professional. Keeping a journal can help you understand your feelings and think clearly. Emotional health. Pay attention to your feelings. It is okay to feel sad or angry sometimes. Accept your emotions without judgment. Find healthy ways to express how you feel, like talking, drawing, or listening to music. Spend time with people who support and care about you. Strong relationships give you comfort and joy. Social connections. Humans need connection. Make time for friends and family. Join groups or clubs with people who share your interests. Helping others can also improve your mood and self-worth. Social activities bring happiness and reduce loneliness. Healthy boundaries. Learn to say no when you need to. Protect your time and energy by setting limits. Don't take on too much. It is okay to ask for help and take breaks when necessary. Respecting your limits helps prevent burnout. Personal growth. Keep learning and growing. Try new hobbies or skills. Read books, watch videos, or take classes that interest you. Personal growth gives you confidence and purpose. Consistency and patience. Self-care is not a one-time thing. It is a daily habit. Be patient with yourself. Some days will be easier than others. Keep going, even if progress seems slow. Small steps every day lead to big changes over time.